Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you've never been here before, welcome. Today we're going to be doing something a little different. We're going to be doing a tutorial. Today we're going to be running multiple Discord instances at the same time. That means you can run more than one account. No, I'm not talking about a browser. No, I'm not talking about some third-party software. I am talking about a stable native instance of Discord running alongside another stable native instance of Discord. So without further ado, let's get started. To start off, we'll go here to App Data. And press enter. It will take us here to App Data Roaming. This is not where we want to be, however, we want to be in App Data Local. Here you will find your Discord folder. It will look like this. So you just copy this, copy, and you can put it pretty much anywhere you want. We're going to put it in, we're just going to put it here on our C drive actually. So here we go. Here's our folder. So we will open this, and you see Discord is here as an application right inside the Discord folder. If you don't have that, it will be in this app folder, and you can just copy it and bring it back out and paste it here. Now I'm going to leave this here, and I'm just going to minimize this because we will need to come back to this. We need to do something else first. Next, we're going to go to our settings. We can access settings by right-clicking and go to taskbar settings first, then just go home, accounts, family and other users, add someone else to this PC. Now since it's just going to be running in the background, we don't need to have a Microsoft account or an email, so just click you don't have the sign-in information and add a user without a Microsoft account. We're just going to name it Discord and give it a little password and re-enter the password. And of course it will require you to do the security questions. Just, pick something. I will have mine blurred out because, well, it's kind of personal. Now we have another account. So now we can close this. Let's go back to our Discord folder, right click and click New Text Document. And we're going to name this Discord underscore, I apparently can't spell, Discord underscore alt. And we're going to edit it, which it brought it up somewhere else on my third monitor. Now, in this text document, we will need to write a few commands. We're going to make this into a batch file. So our first command is run as. This lets it run. It's giving the command to run the program as another user, which is what we're going to do. We're going to run it as Discord. Now we're going to do save cred because, well, I don't know about you, but I don't want to be entering in my password every single time I click the start button for Discord for this alt account. Then /user:_Discord, which is the user we did. Now we give the other parameters of the files it needs to run, update.exe space dash process start discord.exe. And that is all you need. So next, you will want to click File, Save As. Click here the Save As type. You want to change to All Files, and change here the Discord alt.bat. That will save it as a batch file, which you can run. As you can see here, we have the batch file, and here we have the text file. The text file is empty, so we can just delete that. And so now we have an alt file. So we can right-click it and click Send to Desktop to create a shortcut. Now, we don't need to do anything else in here. So we're just going to close it. Here is our shortcut. If we click on it, it will run. Now, I already set it up before once. Nope, we don't want to do that. Nope. Anyway, I have already set it up once. That's why it didn't ask me for the password, but it would have asked for a password for the account, and it would have come up in a command window. The only reason it didn't is because I have done this before and it already remembered it. So you would sign in with your email and phone number, or email or phone number and your password, and we'll just close that. We don't need that open anymore. However, if you go into your start menu, you have Discord. That's kind of ugly to have it kind of sitting around. It doesn't do anything. I mean, why would you want to have a user around? So if you want to get rid of it, then I have more instructions. If you are okay with having just a blank user just floating around on your computer doing nothing, you can stop now. It will work perfectly. I will give instructions a little later on how to create another batch file to stop all instances of Discord at once. But first, I'm going to show you how to hide that profile. So first, click on the search bar or the start menu and type reg edit or regedit, registry editor. It will ask you if you want to make changes. You click yes. Don't know if you could see that. All right, so here we are in the registry editor. If you are uncomfortable editing your registry, you can just stop. You do not have to do this. This is not necessary. It just brings that little bit of seamlessness into it and hides the extra profile. So where we need to go is HKey local machine, software, and we need to go down to Microsoft, and then further down to Windows NT, current version, WinLogon. Then there will not be this folder here. So you need to right click on WinLogon and click New Key. And we will name it Special Accounts, which you cannot do it because it already exists. We're going to just delete it. Okay, so into special accounts. Then you need to do the same thing, create a new key here in special accounts and call it user list, just like this. When you're done with that, click on user list and it will only have one thing. It will say default. It will not be set as a value. You will not have any other entries here, and you will need to right click new dword with a 32-bit value and name it Discord. Now, since the value is set at 0, 0 is hidden and 1 is unhidden. If you ever need to use any of these user accounts, simply right-click on it, right-click on it, modify, and change the value data to 1. I want to leave it hidden, so I'm going to leave it as 0. Now we are done in the registry editor. That wasn't so bad, was it? Now, the next thing I'm going to show you is one more thing. Now, I told you we wouldn't need to go back to that folder. I was wrong. We do. So if you do not remember where that was, just right-click on the shortcut you made before and click Open File Location, which will take you back. We will make a kill function. So new text document. And it's not behaving. There we go. And we're going to call it Discord Killer. And we'll refresh it. Here it is. Discord Killer. I don't know why it opened down there. We'll just leave it like this. So the command that you need to enter here is task kill. All together and spelled correctly, unlike how I just did. /im discord.exe/f. I don't know why I keep pressing the shift when I try to do a slash. Maybe I'm just trying to do a really big slash. That could be it. Or I'm just dumb. Anyway, so this is it. This is all you need. That's it. You don't need any more. So we will save as discordkiller.bat. And like before, we need to not forget to change it to all files instead of just text documents. And click save and exit out of it, and here's our Discord killer. We're going to delete it. And now we're going to open up Discord, which is still here. And nope, we're just going to have it sit right there. Then we can click on Discord Killer. Let's make this smaller so you can see the Discord. And we're going to double click on Discord Killer. And it killed it. Now, if you're like me, you like having stuff a little nicer. So you can download a PNG from the internet of anything. Could be anything. Just make sure it's small. And then find a PNG to icon converter, convert it to an icon, and you can go in Properties of a shortcut only. It only works with shortcuts. Change icon. It will tell you this. It contains no icons. Choose an icon from the list or specify a different file. Okay. Now here's all the system icons you can choose from. I wouldn't advise these unless you want to lose your shortcut in a mess of everything else. This is not my only screen. The other one is a mess. Browse, and I have one that I used. Nope. We're going to go to the C drive and go to Discord. This is the icon that came with Discord, and we're going to select that. OK, and apply. And this is interesting. I refreshed it. Here we go. It has the Discord icon. Now, if you are like me and you really like having everything look a little cleaner, I did a custom icon on a Discord icon website that is easy to find. You'll be able to find it. They let you make custom Discord profile pictures, and it's free. And I made this to go over my Discord killer shortcut. This is a shortcut to the other one that I made before, and I used the PNG to icon converter I found online to convert it from PNG to icon, and then use it over the shortcut here. At this point we are done. There is no hidden profiles anywhere on the computer. It is just me. And we have our Alt software. We clicked on it and it's starting. No, not there. Thank you, no. Anyway, so now we have a killer and we have an Alt. We can have multiple running at the same time. I will run multiple. I will probably need to blur it out because I left them logged in. No, move yourself. We'll leave that there so you can see that I'm actually in servers. And we will start up another one of my alts. Wherever it went. We'll shrink this one down a bit, move it up. You can see the pictures of the servers. We'll go into a blank server I have. And we will just stay in there. Here is a second server. A second instance, and then besides that we have this one. We can click on this, which is a third instance. These are all native Discord. They are all the stable version, not the public test build or anything like that. It is not a third-party version. It is completely stable and native. Anyway, if you've gotten this far, I would appreciate if you left a like on the video, and I will see you all in the next video.